Hi guys, welcome everyone to Coding Simplified again. In this session, we are learning basics of Python and Python coding. I believe the previous session helped you a lot to get to know about the mathematical operations of Python. So let's get started and crack Python together in this video too. In this video, we will learn about strings. So now the first question will come into your mind: what is a string is? So a string is a value which value you cannot change. It's predefined value. You cannot change its value. You will say a value, or you will give a value to Python or something, a command, and this thing you cannot change. So like say if I say deep my name, let's start with my name. If I say deep to command and we run, it won't work because the Python doesn't know what DEEP this command means. It has no importance to Python, so it is saying that it's not defined, so it cannot say what it is or what its function is, so it is not working. To take any strings in the Python, we have to use quotes. We can use single quotes and double quotes both. So if I write again my name in single quotes and run, see, it is printing. We can do this using double quotes too. See, it's also running in double quotes. But see, if I'm running my name, it is saying deep with quotes. See, it is, isn't it? It is saying deep with quotes. I don't need the quotes now. So now I will use the function called print, and I will use my name in beside this print function. So print function is a inbuilt function of Python. Python already has this function. See, now if I'm running this function, it is saying deep without the quotes. So it is clear to you. Uh, this basic thing is actually, this is so basic actually. But yeah, you can ask me. So if you say write print and you write 5, it will actually giving 5 you as an integer. But if you at the same time write print and write 5 inside a quotes, it will give you, sorry, you can use 005, no issues. So let's run with 005. Yeah, 005. So if you're running this, it is actually give you 005. The output is same, but actually this time you're getting a value in strings. You cannot change this value. Okay. So okay, let's say, suppose we can take this as an integer. So you must say why its value is not changed. So see, uh, let's take a's value like 1. Why strings value cannot be changed? You need to know this. So let's take a as 5. So it is a string, it's a, sorry, it's integer value, isn't it? So let's do now a plus 1. See, it is give you 6. So it is actually adding 5 plus 1, 6. So now let's do something. Let's take a as 5, but this time we're defining 5 as an string. So now let's do a plus 1. See, this time it's not happening because, see, you can call only concentrate a string, not integer to string. We cannot actually club to string, sorry, a string and an integer together. So this time it's not working, that's why. Okay, so now actually we have a problem. Now let's think what the problem is. So suppose you want to type boys school. Okay, sorry, a lot of spaces. Let's suppose to not to give any enter. So yeah, so we're gonna type boys school. So you're gonna type boys. Now there's a code. Sorry, I forgot to give the first one. Boys in school. SCHOOL. So what's it's gonna print? Do you think it should print boys school, the full thing, but it's not gonna print. Sorry, again, suspense. Let's see what it happens. See, it's not happening because it's invalid syntax. Because for this command, Python is thinking the only string is boys part, because you are using one quote in boys. So okay, so remove this problem. What we can do? There are a lot of solutions. Let's come with the easiest one. We use double quotes and then use boys. Sorry, boys school. See, now this is happening. But see, if you want to do something else, like now you want to put school in double inverted commas. Now what? How you gonna do that? Isn't it? That's a big question actually. How you gonna do that, boys this is boys is apostrophe is. Now they are gonna ask school, and you need to put this school, sorry, inside a double quote. So now it's not gonna print, you know that so well, isn't it? So printing this value, actually what we gonna do, so isn't it, why, what we actually need to do? Okay, actually it will print, sorry, am I wrong? It will print because you see, there are, the school is thinking that it has its own value. See, it will print. Okay, it's not printing. Why it's not printing? Cause, okay, so I have actually done a mistake, but let's understand from my mistake. The, your command is thinking boys, boys, and then a quote is starting and ending, so it's thinking it is one string, it's fine. Then the school again starting with a double invited code, and it's ending with double invited code, so it is also thinking it's a string. But then another one code is starting, but this code is not ending, so it's saying it's not even a valid one. So to remove this one, what we need to do, actually we need to use this sign, a slash. It's as simple as it is. You just use a slash and your problem is solved. So let's do it. So let's start with single coding boys. Let's give the slash now, sorry, wrong one, slash now, and say quote, and then say school, and finish this single quote now. So see, here it is working. So anytime you need to work with quotation or double quotation inside a bracket or inside a string, just use the slash before, so it will print only the string part. This is only for string, uh, nothing much. Okay, you can do some basics. Let's try one thing, you do one thing. Let's take two strings and try to add them, and let's take two strings and try to multiply. Don't do multiply a string with a string, let's multiply a string with a integer, and tell me in comment section what you're getting. Okay, and if you face any problems, also write in the comment section. I'm gonna solve this in my next video. just just do the summation of two strings and multiplication of a string and an integer value, and write down in the comment section what are you getting. Okay, so if you have to come up to this, congratulations, you're mastering in Python. Okay, so you're one step closer to be a Python programmer. Give a thumbs up to the video to show your love towards me and this channel. If you have any doubts and advice, and if you have the answer what you have just asked you, just type that in the comment section and share this among your friends, and do subscribe this channel for more videos. Bye bye.